Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So if you're new around here, my name's Shakema. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I'm a single mom of 4 children. I have 2 girls, 2 boys, 1 fur dog, and we just inherited a grandma. We're living our very best life around here at our house, and today's a casual day. The kids are gone to camp and I have a couple of projects that I need to do, hence the no makeup, no anything. I'll do my hair and put makeup on later. I just don't have any time for that right now. Couple things I have to do, and I want to bring you guys along. So I just want to say, if you're new here, hey y'all, we're so glad to have you. There have been so many new people that have come over to our channel in the last couple weeks. I know Mornings with Granny sent some people over. If you're from Mornings with Granny, thank you guys for hanging out with us. And then Shelly, my favorite YouTuber of all time, from Shelly's Home Life, actually mentioned our channel on her channel, and that was awesome. And I know some of you have come over from Shelly's channel. Thank you guys so much. If you're from other channels that I have collabed with or what have you in the past, thank you for popping in. And if you're just new, I was a suggestion in your feed. Glad you're here. One thing I do want to mention about the videos: if you like our content, if you would like our videos and share them, especially it definitely helps our channel get more reach, which is what we're trying to do. We are close to 5,900 subscribers. You guys, I remember when I had 18 subscribers, it was like, I got 18, yes. But over the last 3 years, we have grown, and I would like for us to continue to grow. I know somebody mentioned that I have such good content that I should have way more subscribers than I do. Probably so. One thing I don't do on my channel very often are giveaways, and I know a lot of people get subscribers that way. I want people here that want to be here just because, not because of the giveaway or giveaways. But anywho, for those of you who are here, thank you very much. So I have a project that I need to tackle. In last week's Tidy Tuesday, you saw me where I do all of my mailings, my YouTube closet, where I have all of my mailing supplies and everything. But I did not do the bottom half of the closet where I have like hanging coats and different things. It's our main coat closet. It's the only one we have in the house. And a lot of my subscribers said, hey, try this, or hey, try that. You know, maybe this will work, maybe that'll work. And what I thought I would do is, one of my subscribers, Miss Celeste, said, why don't you get a hanging rack? Or, no, she said, put them in your garage, which is a really good idea. So I went to Walmart yesterday and I bought a rolling rack just for hanging clothes on. So I'm going to put that together, and then I'm going to tackle this closet to see if I can get those coats out, because I do want to make that a launch pad. I know A Bowl Full of Lemons does a launch pad in her 14-week home cleaning challenge, and I've never had a launch pad. But what I find myself doing is, when I get home from work, I put my work bag in this closet. Also in the closet, I have the vacuum cleaner, because the front half of the house does have carpet, so it's easier to keep it here than it is in the laundry room where there is no carpet. It's like a linoleum floor, so it's easier. And I also keep my tripod in there. So I am going to tackle that right now. I'm going to bring you guys along and see what you all think about the results. So come with me as I tackle the coat closet. right, so I've got the rolling rack put together. I'm going to take this out into the garage, and then I'm going to start moving out the things from the garage onto here, and then seeing how that closet is coming along. So I'm going to take this out to the garage and then take the coats and stuff out. I'm sweating, but this was the easiest thing I have ever put together in my entire life. I got this from Walmart. This is the Mainstay. This is Mainstay rolling rack. So it's the one for like $8 and some change. Easiest thing I've ever put together. And it seems pretty stable. We'll see. It's going out to the garage, and then I'm going to start moving out the clothes. Alrighty, and just like that, now I'm down to the vacuum cleaner, which is here. So I always keep the vacuum cleaner in here. I have my tripod. I have another tripod that I have just in case, or as a travel pod. So I'm actually just going to stick that up there. And then I have school bags. So my 2 school bags and Jackson's school bag. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to clean out. I'm going to sweep out and vacuum this little space in here, and then measure to figure out what type of bookshelf I need to get in here, or how tall I can put a bookshelf in here, because I do want to put a shelf in here for shoes and for the bags, to hold the bags. So that's what I'm going to do now, is pull all of those out, sweep and vacuum. Now this is my normal work bag, and once school starts, this will be the only bag I carry. And I'm actually getting a new computer this year, so it'll be a lot lighter than it has been. This bag, I went to a workshop over the summer, and so I have some materials I need to take back to my schools. So I just have that in here, because once I pack this with my school computer and all of my notebooks and different things, it'll be too heavy for all of this. So I'm actually going to put this in the back of my trunk of my car once we get closer to school starting. I don't want to put it in there now because of all the kids' taekwondo stuff and everything like that. But once we get closer to school starting, I will transfer this bag out to the trunk of my car. But for right now, I'm just going to put it here. And then I'm also going to put Jackson's school bag, because he's done with his school. I do have to get the kids tested. The only thing they haven't done yet is their EOGs, which we still have time. We didn't test till the end of August last year for EOGs, and they both did very well. But I'm just going to put his bag in here for right now. And then I'm going to check Big Lots or someplace like that to see if I can find a shelf that will fit in here, where each person can have a shelf. Alana has one, Mom has one, and Jack has one. And we'll put shoes and different things in there, just leaving enough space for the vacuum. So I'll show you what it looks like without the things in there, so you can see how it's gotten cleaned out. So this is what it looks like now without the coats in it. And I just do have the bags here, and I've got the vacuum cleaner, you know, right in there, and my tripod. Other than that, it's pretty cleaned. So I'm going to be able to get a taller shelf, not really wide, because I do need to keep the vacuum cleaner in there. And I think it's going to be good as a launch pad, actually, because honestly, when I come home, I put my school bag in here, take out my computer if I need to use it, and I put my purse there sometimes. Sometimes I keep it in my bedroom, but there it is. So We're going to call this project complete for right now. The coats and stuff are on the rack. They're out in the garage. If I needed to, I could put some trash bags over everything that's out there, but it's fine for right now. So there it is. We hope that that was inspiring to you. It was just a quick little clean to make room for what needs to go in there next. So thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.